This is Joey with the J. Harris Academy of Police Training. Today we're going to discuss State versus Jose Lopez, the afterthought robbery. If you commit an assault and then later commit a theft, is that a robbery here in New Jersey? It isn't. And that was demonstrated through the State versus Jose Lopez. This is actually a homicide case. So when you look at the totality, do you really care about a robbery when you're talking about a homicide? We do, because we're looking at the brackets offenses: burglary, robbery, arson, carjacking, kidnapping, escape, terrorism, sexual assault. If you commit any of those in the course of committing some sort of a homicide, it's going to be a first-degree crime here in New Jersey. So it was in the interest of Jose Lopez to actually go after the robbery piece of this particular statute and for this particular case. Lopez and the victim were at a bar together. They went down to a river, and Lopez wound up assaulting the victim. During the course of that assault, the victim ultimately succumbed to his injuries. While the victim was laying there helpless, about to die, he committed a theft. He removed a wallet and a gold chain from his necklace, which were later recovered. Lopez ultimately confessed to all of the elements of this crime, and he was charged with a robbery. What the Supreme Court found in this particular case was that the theft was an afterthought of this actual assault. Because it was an afterthought, it's not covered in our statute. They actually compared our statute to an Illinois case where there was a actual similar fact pattern and they were found guilty of robbery. However, our statute here in New Jersey reads differently. It has to be a theft that has an assault associated with it, not an assault that later has a theft. If that theft preceded or was tied in directly with the assault, it would have been a robbery, but not here in New Jersey, not for this particular case. It's a good read, State versus Lopez, 2006 decision, and it's quoted in numerous others where there are similar fact patterns, especially if you're a detective or an officer that's responding to a scene. Make sure you know what it is that you have in front of you. If you want to further your education, I encourage you to sign up for one of our case law classes where we discuss Lopez and a lot of other very good cases that'll help you in the course of your career. Subscribe to us, follow us, and even check out our podcast. Until next time, signing off. Have a great day.